What's up? Launching this channel, Retro Rider, where we go for rides, and I take this behemoth behind me, the 2013 Honda CB1100D. On this channel, we'll be doing solo rides from the point of view of me, group rides, so we'll be able to see some action, but mainly an idea of the scenery that we get in upstate South Carolina and western North Carolina. We'll also do bike shows, car shows, kind of stuff like that, and hopefully get some reviews going. I will eventually review my bike that I use, which is kind of a one-off rare bike you really don't see around too much. So check out some of this content. We'll be launching videos throughout the year, different rides, different areas, different times of the year, so different scenery, mixed with some synthwave music, video game music, stuff like that, to make it come off as retro. Obviously, I'm riding a retro bike, arguably the one bike that started the craze about 15 years ago. So throw a like and subscribe, and check us out.